Hey guys, so today I'm going to go into an in-depth look on the VLC Player or VideoLAN Player and show you all the neat tricks that it can do. I feel like it's very unappreciated. Hardly anybody knows how to use it, they just watch movies on it. Now I don't know if you noticed, but what just popped up was the portable Splash logo. I am running the portable apps version of VLC Player. This means that I can put the program on my flash drive and take it anywhere I want, any other computer I want, and the program will stay on the flash drive. I just run it off there. I will put the links to this and that website below. Great website for good stuff. Also, if you have a school computer, those programs usually work on the school computer since they're not installed on the computer. Just a little hint, little trick. Now for this purpose, I'm going to use the movie Dirty Rotten Scoundrels that we copied the other day. Just going to pause it here. Now first things first, audio. Now if the video has different audio tracks on it, right click on the movie, go to audio, audio track, and then choose the language that you want. You can go to audio device to choose whether or not you want it to go out your speakers, out to a Bluetooth speaker station somewhere else. Depends on the devices installed in your computer. I only have my headphones plugged in, and they're the default anyways. Next you got video. Video tracks. This is pertinent per DVDs. A video track can mean anywhere between watching the actual movie or the commentary of the movie. Subtitles. Subtitle track. This is where you can choose the different subtitles in the video. Now if you have an external subtitle file named .sub, .sdx, .srt, as long as they are named the same name as the video file, VLC Player will incorporate that file automatically. If not, just drag and drop the video or the subtitle file right onto the movie and it'll be loaded. Now in terms of playback, this is really only used for DVDs. You can choose the title of the DVD, the chapter within that title, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to go into this very much because hardly anybody uses this to watch their DVDs. Now for all you techies out there that are really in-depth into videos and whatnot, you can go here to media information and the codecs. You can actually check. This is how it was encoded, by handbrake by me. You can even write up metadata and you can check the information on the video file itself. For example, you can check the codec of the video and the audio for all the other streams. Really not too important for most people out there who just watch this for the movies. Cool feature about this is that you can actually use this to stream. For example, you can stream to Twitch, or you can stream to friends overseas that you want to show something to. You can stream to your other buddies at home that you're playing a game and you're like, oh, I'm doing awesome. This way they can watch it. You set up the stream, click on it. Usually if you're playing a game, you want to click capture device, click your desktop so it streams just the desktop. Hit stream, next. Now you want to stream via HTTP. That's hypertext. Forget the other two. This is just so they can watch it online. Hit next, next, stream, and you're good to go. For this example, I'm not going to bother with that. For your friends back home, have them click Open Network Stream, and then you give them your IP address, your outgoing IP address. This would be the IP address of your router if you have a router in your home. You have to go through port forwarding to set that all up. That's another headache. That's another tutorial. I'm not going to bother with that now. I'm just giving this to you now so you understand how to use it. You can actually convert videos through this program. So for example, I'm going to add the video we're watching right now, and you can convert into it other subtitle files. Hit convert save. You can change the codecs that you want to use. Usually H.264 plus MP3 is pretty good. H.264 plus AAC would be better, but it's not offered here. It's a shame. Choose a destination file, you name it, test 1, save, start, bada bing, there it goes. It's going to take forever because it has to go through the entire movie. It looks like it's going at 3 seconds per real-time second, so it'll be done in, you know, about 45 minutes, if I did the math right. I'm not going to worry about that now. I'm just going to cancel it. But just for an example, I can show you that it did work properly. You can actually use VLC Player to rip DVDs. So I'm going to go back to this Convert Save option and remove this so there's no confusion. Go to Disk. Now I have Dirty Rotten Scoundrels already inside my computer as we speak. So go to Disk, choose No Disk Menus. I already know it's Title 1, Chapter 1, or I'm going to start Chapter 0. And I'm going to remove Disk Menus. Hit Convert Save. You know, choose the file name, test2, hit Start, and there it goes, just like before. Now you're asking yourself, how did I already know it was Title 1? I know this because if you open the disc and play the movie just like a regular movie, hit play. Now if I'm going too fast for you guys, pause the movie at any time, or pause this video at any time you want. You can rewind and watch it again. You know, watch it as many times as you need, no problem. I don't get freaked out. Hopefully you don't get freaked out. Anyways, with this DVD, it's unique. It jumps right into the movie. Not all DVDs do that. Crap, I shouldn't have done that. So, gonna play the movie again. Jumps right into the movie. The way to find out the audio track, I'll lower that so I can hear myself, or the video title, I mean. Go down to playback, go to title, and you see that it's Title 1 that you're watching right now, and Title 1 is an hour and 50 minutes long. That is your full movie. That's how you know it is Title 1. Go back to that again, and you can see it's chapters 1 through 16. That is the entire movie. These chapters are for, like, if on the DVD, if you hit skip, it goes to the next chapter. Skip, skip, skip. 16 times, you're at the end of the movie. I'll pause that there. Great movie. You can even set up a playlist for all those Netflixers out there that just like to leave it going forever. You can do the same thing here. Just set up all your movies, hit start, and when one movie's done, it'll move on to the next, to the next, to the next. Let's see what else we got here. That playlist, minimal interface. Oh yeah. So for hotkeys, this program actually has a very great set of hotkeys. You can go to Tools, Preferences, Hotkeys, and here's a list of them all. You can memorize the few that you choose. For example, you know, space bars to play or pause. Alt left or right is to jump forward, jump back 10 seconds. Control left or right is to jump forward, jump back 30 seconds, if I remember that right. And so on and so forth. It's all written down right here. I'm not going to explain it all to you because that's going to make this video very long. Another one is the aspect ratio, or the size. I like to do this myself. I like to shrink it down to 1/4 whenever I'm working on homework. Just leave it up the top corner in case anybody's watching me. I am not watching the movie, I'm doing my homework. Teachers like to hover. Let's see here. Playback, nope, been through there. Done that. Done that, done that, done that, done that. Yep. It looks like it's about it. That's all the key features that you need to know about this program. I hope you learned something new. I hope this helped you in some way or another. Thank you for your time. Talk to you later.